Good morning, everyone. This is Esther with Esther Buys Houses. Today is Monday. Actually, it's Tuesday, February 4th. It's raining right now, which is weird. But anyways, just letting you guys know, I do have a house here in the Northeast that I am looking for a buyer for. If you're looking to buy a house that it is discounted, this one actually doesn't need much in work. It has some furniture in there already. The older couple there, they actually really kept good care of it. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and with about 15,000 down total you would need to get this house. And they don't use your credit. They do need proof of income. So basically they want you to have a steady job, and it's just copies of your income tax and bank statements. The payments are about maybe 770 a month, more or less. So get with me as soon as you can. It's over here, like I said, in the Northeast by McCombs and 54, more or less. So really good area. This area here in the Northeast is really expanding. So get with me as soon as you can. I am also looking for more houses to buy, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, preferably. If not, that's fine as is, and I do pay top dollar for a pretty house. So get with me. My number is 915-247-8882. Again, 915-247-8882. Thank you again. You guys have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.